Okay, now in this video, we're going to get our first or our thank you email set up. We're going to get it uploaded to get response. Now, we have our play-by-play attraction guide. That's the special report that they're going to get when they opt in. So I've uploaded this to my Dating for Dudes directory. You'll see it there. And that's all you're going to have to do. Just give it a place where you can find it. And what you want to do then is you want to copy this URL. And then that's going to be the URL that you want to put inside of your link cloaking program. Now, if you have questions about link cloaking, there is a video, a bonus video here that will show you how to set up a link cloaking program. The benefit of this is that you're going to have a link that is going to be a lot better and a lot shorter and more clickable than if you just use the link that is given to you in the affiliate tools. Okay, so now we have our URL, we have set up our cloaking link, and so now we're going to take a look at the actual email. Okay, so here's the email. Hello, first name, and that's just the personalization. And we've got a little thank you note here. And what we're going to do is we're going to now put a link in here. Now we've got a link in there for them to click on. And now we can then put this email as the first one in our series. Now, the rest of the emails are going to give them more information about dating. This one is just a way of saying thank you and introducing them to the fact that they're going to get more emails. They are getting this opt-in report. Now, the opt-in report is going to have a link in it. So if they read the opt-in report, they're going to have a clickable link. Now, one other thing that you can do is you can put your affiliate link into your signature. And really, if you're going to be promoting affiliate products, you probably want to do that, and you want to do that on a regular basis. Now, the other thing about this is, of course, if you're branding a particular domain name, you want to put your domain name in there in your signature. Okay, so now all we have to do is we have to take this information and put it inside of our autoresponder. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this. Okay, so now we're back in the time-based feature, and we want to start this message with day 0. So we're going to, on day 0, we're going to deliver our thank you email. We want it to come immediately. And so we're going to create a new email, and we are then going to just call this thank you email. And we're going to put our subject line in there. Thanks for signing up with Dating for Dudes. Plus your attraction guide. Now, one thing you could do is you could just say download your attraction guide, because they may or may not be interested in the fact that they've signed up for your list. And so it may be best for you to go ahead and just write in download your attraction guide. They should be looking for that. Then we're going to type in, we're going to go to the next step here and get response. Okay, we're going to get the plain template from the start from scratch area. We're going to drag in our text box here. Okay, once we have our text box in place, what we're going to do, of course, is we're going to then copy and paste our message. And we'll probably want the spacing a little better. Okay, so now we've got our opt-in report there, and we're ready to get started. And this message is going to now be sent immediately upon them opting in to your list. We want to then take this entire email, copy it. We want to also put it into plain text. Okay, you're pretty much always going to do this. We'll click wrap long lines, click close. Then we'll go on to the next step. And now our email should be ready to be published. So then we'll now click Save and Publish. And so now our email on day 0 is going to go out. Then we've got an email ready to go out on day 1 right after that, right, which will be our first one. And so all we do now is we're going to create the rest of the series and input them into the dates. And one thing that I do want to show you is you can alter the dates in here as to when you want them to be sent out. So let's take a look at that for a second here. Now, when we come back to this screen, if we don't want this message to be sent out after the thank you, we can change this to day 3, day 2, day 5. Whenever you want the second email to go out, that's what you're going to change it to. We're going to make it so that this email goes out on day 1, but again, it really depends on how you want to set up your marketing funnel, and this will go on at the very same clock time that they signed up on, and then but it'll go out on day 1. Okay, they're going to get the first message on day 0, which is our thank you note. The next day, they're going to get the email that we've already set up. And that's how you're going to set up the rest of your emails if you want to set them up one day in advance, or if you one day in the future, 2 days in the future, however you want to do it. You can easily do that inside of Get Response. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.